Hi everyone, welcome to Heavy Metal Muffler. Today we got a 95 Silverado extended cab, basic small block, and what the customer wants is a catalytic converter and then a Y dual after that, one out each side. So let's get to it. Alright, here's what we got to work with. Well, here's what he's got right now. Basically just a crappy pipe. Somebody throw the flow junker on there and took the catalytic converter off. Alright, so what we're going to do, we got a MagnaFlow 1 in, 2 out converter, and then we're going to run two 2-inch pipes all the way down for a nice set of duals. Alright, we've got all of our old exhaust cut off. We have our converter in place. Now let's bend our 2 front pipes and see how all the glass is going to fit in there. Alright, here's the bender. It's no bend pack, Blue Bullet. It's been a good one. Just grab some tubing and get to bending. Both of these pipes will be identical, running down through there. We'll grab another one and mirror image this one. I've got to get up over the cross member, the transmission. It won't take much to get there. And we'll put 15. Go by the shoe. Another 15. And get us there. Then we need to get it a little tight towards the back side. We'll do 220s. Look at that screw. Big tab on this pipe here. Remember, have your seam always on the outside. Alright, now we'll check with the fit and get them welded in. Alright, we have it all in there. See our converter. Fit right in there very well. Then we have our dual pipes running down through there and matching. Let's get that all welded up We'll get us some hangers going, and then we'll do our tailpipes. Alright, we got the converter welded in. Our two front exhaust pipes welded in. Hangers. And put a crossbar on there for stability. Now, let's get us some tailpipes going on. Alright, fits just fine. We held it up there, we got our mark. We're just going to have one out each side. We'll put a 45. We'll put a 45 here, 45 here. Everything turns out straight. Run over right quick and get us a cutoff mark. We are putting some small chrome divots on this thing so we can get a cut length. Over there, try to keep everything clean and skin and working. Alright, we'll get this one installed and welded and a hanger on it. Then we'll come back and do our passenger side tailpipe. There we have our passenger side, well, driver's side coming from the passenger side over. Tailpipe installed, we've got it welded up. See the clearance? That's a trick. When you're doing a tailpipe, see the rubber stopper? You got this much room where the rear end bottoms out. So you need at least that much room between the tailpipe and the rear end so you don't have any rattles or issues. And as you can see, we got plenty of room. It laid in there well, got our hanger welded, got it bolted to the frame, and got a chrome tip on there. Now let's go to the passenger side and finish that tailpipe up. Alright, got our measure for our passenger tailpipe. Grab another stick of tubing. Same thing for our center pin. Same as in towards me. Do the same 60-30 we've done before. Come here and put a 30, get her straightened out. I'm about to come up and over the rear end like we want. Then of course we'll come out here and go out the side just like we did on the driver's side. Come down here about a shoe. We'll put a 45 in there. Get this end swedged up, so go over our front pipe. Run over there and test it. Get that fire spit. Here we get our tailpipe going out the side, just like the other side. Now we put it back in place, get us cut off mark. Got her cut off. Let's go over and get this one installed, welded and our tip on. We'll have its sprocket sewed up. Well, we got her finished up. There's our passenger side tailpipe. Laid in there very nice. Everything's laying there nice, symmetrical, even. I mean, that's what people want. If we're going to pay the price, do them a good job. So nice, all that looks up through there. I'm sure that this gentleman will be very happy with his exhaust system. Now let's let it down, crank it up, see what she sounds like. Alright, yeah, it sounds pretty mean. A little on the loud side. Hope you don't get no tickets. Well, y'all, thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it and you learned something. And if you would, please leave some comments. Hit that like and subscribe button. And visit us on our Patreon page. Thank y'all very much.